Have you ever wondered, how did I ever get into this much debt? Can I really ever pay off my mortgage? How can I manage my credit cards so I can actually pay them off? Will I ever have enough money to do the things I want to do? Spend time with my family? Just relax. Will I even be able to retire? Now there's finally a way, an innovative new financial product to give you the financial intelligence you need to win. Take a moment and listen to how people just like you, respond to their first interaction with this innovative new method of creating financial freedom.
Every day, that's what you hear. Oh, I can't believe I want to get out of debt. I want to get out of debt. America is in more debt at this point than they've ever been, ever. It looks like an amazing product. I'm so excited to have something like this. And it shows me that rather than pay off my mortgage in 30 years, I get to pay it off in 6. 6 years, I mean, that is fantastic. 6 years is in my foreseeable future. 30 years is like, wow, I'll be a grandma by then. And then to pay off my total debt, it's 8.5 years, and I'm supposed to save somewhere around $400,000 in interest. You know, I'm looking at it all on paper, I'm like, wow.
$99 on the principal, and $1,400 of it goes to interest. $1,400 is going to some banker to pad their pockets. When you get on the website and you see the ticker going across the line, and to have a visual update every second of exactly what's happening with your interest. You know, when you get on the credit card side of it, and you know you have a student loan or a credit card, and you put that in there as well, and the mortgage, the home equity loan, the credit cards, the student loan, everything paid off in 10 years. Your home included, everything. In 10 years, I was like, are you kidding me? That's like, where do I sign up? Where do I do it? I want to do it right now.
Wow! This is truly amazing. I have a 30-year mortgage, fixed rate at 8.25%. My loan amount is $242,000. I make $7,500 a month, okay? I don't have any credit card bills. I do have kids. I do have utilities. I have cell phones and a car payment like everyone else. I plug these numbers into the financial analysis sheet, and the system tells me, without using any more income or any more payments than I'm making right now, keeping my discretionary income the same, I can have my house paid off in 3.58 years. And it's saving me, and on my mortgage, it's saving me 26 years and $368,000 in interest.
So if you're looking for a win-win situation, then you want to make sure that you take a look at YouWin.